Hello, my name is Captain Carr. I'm a project engineer with the Buffalo District. We're currently here at Huron, Ohio, pouring concrete behind our sheet pile wall.
Repairs are underway on the damaged sections of the Huron Pier. This work is important to protect the harbor, the shoreline, and the river channel, and to keep navigation safe for both commercial and recreational boats. Inspections show that the original timber structure under the water has weakened. Because of this, the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers has updated the repair plan to make sure all damage is fixed. Even though Huron Harbor hasn't had commercial shipping in recent years, it's still a busy place for recreational boaters of all sizes. The pier was first authorized in 1905 and has lasted far longer than it was designed to. The last major repairs, including the concrete cap and facade, were done in 1986. Barriers and signs have been put in place to keep the public safe during construction. These repairs will not block boat traffic, and vessels can continue moving in and out of Huron Harbor safely while the work is underway.
This project will cost about $3.5 million, but by the end of it, we'll have a 750-foot steel sheet pile wall protecting the pier as well as the timber crib that's underneath, originally built in 1901. Repairing the pier ensures that visitors and members of the community can continue to walk and enjoy the waterfront. We appreciate all stakeholders, partners, and especially the community for allowing this opportunity to be here.